what is customer success and why it's so important. Customer success is a planned and analytical process of securing that your customer gets as much value as possible of your product or service, and that he or she achieves the expected outcome, thus being successful in his investment in your product or service. In simpler words, customer success is making sure that your customer gets the outcome that he or she expected from your product or service. And please remember that the outcome is not to use your product. The outcome is something different. If you have a CRM, the outcome is to make my sales easier. If you have an email marketing tool, the outcome is that I sell more. If you have a time management tool, the outcome is that I save time. Not that I use the service. Please, this is very important. We need to differentiate what is the goal. Anyways, this concept is extremely important. If you want your client to keep buying from you, you can put all the effort in client acquisition, but if you keep losing them, you are losing money. Your company can grow without acquiring more clients. Meaning, if you have 1,000 clients and you stop putting effort in client acquisition and you dedicate your effort to client expansion to increase the business that you have with the existing accounts, then your business can actually still grow without acquiring new clients. Please, I'm not telling you to stop looking for new clients. What I'm just trying to do is state the point that customer success is really, really important. Let me give you a very simplistic example. You start the year with 100 clients and you are adding 5 new clients a month, but you are also losing 5 clients a month. The year will go by and you will end up right where you started, but actually more annoyed because you will have 60 clients complaining about your product. 5 clients a month dropping your product by 12 months, that's 60 clients. So that will be 60 people that some of them will actually complain and send you nasty emails maybe. So be careful with how many clients are you losing a month. Do you think this is an extreme example? Think again. I have seen numbers like this many times. In fact, including something similar in one of my companies. Before I care about customer success, this is why customer success now is something very important to me. Because for some years, I had an extreme high churn and I didn't care for it. I just care about acquiring new clients. Because the more clients I had, things were going to be good. I was going to have more money. But I was losing so many clients that we were just putting too much effort in acquiring for nothing. And this happens because we tend to think that it's the client's fault, that they are lazy and don't use their investment properly. They weren't the right clients, etc. We get these ideas in the head and we assume those are the reasons, but we don't really dedicate time to find out what is the real reason why we are losing clients. We don't dedicate time to really focus on solving how to make sure those clients not only stay with us, but how to make them very happy. So happy that they become our sales team. They brag about working with us. They tell other people. They send us referrals without we asking. Just because they say, oh yes, I'm doing this, I'm working with this company, they are great. and we didn't even ask to do that. So his friend comes and starts working with us. These are the results that good customer success will bring you.